In a revealing News 4 interview, Zoran Mamdani addresses President Trump directly, outlining his approach to political leadership. He emphasizes the importance of dialogue, stating he plans to call Trump before officially taking office. Mamdani expresses his belief that collaboration is vital in addressing the looming challenges ahead. He suggests that facing threats from the Trump administration requires united efforts and proactive strategies. Asserting that the future depends on mutual understanding, he calls for a fresh perspective on governance. Mamdani's approach is a reflection of modern leadership, emphasizing connection over division. Throughout the interview, Mamdani stresses the power of respectful discourse, urging leaders to listen. He underlines the significance of addressing community concerns and uplifting voices. Mamdani believes that rising above partisan politics can lead to innovative solutions. He mentions that the best policies arise from genuine conversations with citizens. Toward the close, Mamdani highlights the critical role of empathy in political climates. His words resonate as a call for compassion in governance, urging a compassionate response to divisive issues. Mamdani's vision brings a fresh perspective to contemporary leadership challenges. He emphasizes commitment to building a future grounded in collaboration and understanding. Mamdani concludes with a reminder that effective leadership is about serving the people. The interview embodies a clear message: the path forward must be paved with inclusivity. As viewers, we are invited to join in this conversation and consider our role in shaping the future. The journey doesn't end here. It starts with informed citizens ready to enact change.